explaining the phrase, contact me. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the commonly used phrase, contact me. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, usage, and some related phrases you might come across. Contact is a verb which means to get in touch with someone or something. Me is an object pronoun referring to the speaker. Together, the phrase, contact me, is an invitation or request by the speaker for someone to get in touch with them. People use contact me in various situations. 1. Professional settings. It's common in emails or on business cards. Example: if you have any questions, contact me at email address. 2. Social settings. When someone wants to continue a conversation later. Example: it was great talking to you. Contact me anytime. 3. Advertisements. Service providers might use it to invite potential customers to reach out. Example: interested in our services? Contact me for a free quote. There are several ways to convey the same idea as contact me. Here are a few. 1. Reach out to me. A more informal way of saying, contact me. 2. Get in touch with me. This is almost synonymous with contact me. 3. Drop me a line. A colloquial way to ask someone to send a message, often used for emails. 4. Give me a call, specifically asking someone to contact via phone. Understanding common phrases like contact me can help you navigate social and professional situations with more confidence. I hope this explanation has made things clearer for you. Remember, language is a tool, and the more you use it, the more proficient you'll become. If you found this video helpful, let us know and stay tuned for more lessons.